Now we will try to simulate the system in Simulink. If we write the differential equations in the integral form, it will be like x1 equal to integral x2 dt plus x1 initial. Similarly, x2 equal to integration u dt plus x2 initial. These are the integral form representation of the same system. We will set this up in Simulink. So the equation is x1 equal to integration x2 dt plus x1 initial value. So in Simulink we have this integration block. We will take this integration block, the input of it is the variable x2 and the output of it will be the variable x1 with the initial condition set in the block itself. The interpretation is like position is the integration of velocity throughout the time. So similarly we will repeat the velocity is the integration of acceleration. Thus we will take another integration block with the input of it will be the input u and the output of it will be x2 and we will connect it. All the initial conditions can be set in the block itself. So this Simulink block diagram representation is equivalent to the differential equation of the system. Now we will move on to the Simulink. In the Simulink you can see that we have represented the same. So this is the system equation, this is the input u, this is x2 dot equal to u, x1 dot equal to x2 and this is x1. This is the acceleration, this is the velocity and this is the position. This is a VR block. It helps in intuitive understanding of the movement of the system. These are the two workspace blocks which are later used for plotting the graphs. Now we will simulate the three cases that we have discussed earlier. In the first case, the force is 0, the initial velocity is also 0. The position is kept at say 10 meters from the origin. We will simulate the system. On the left of the screen you can see the VR world simulation. In this there is a red color block moving on the blue color plane. You can see a yellow color line in the center that represents the origin. Everything on the right of it is positive and on the left of it is negative. So right of the yellow colored line is positive in position. So as the block moves further towards the right, the position is more positive. Similarly on the left side, only the position of the block is mapped as you can see in the Simulink diagram. As you can remember in case 1, the position of the system remained unchanged. So the position remains at 10 unit and the velocity and force or acceleration as 0. Moving on to the next case, the initial velocity is non-zero, say 1, the force remains 0. Then the position will continuously increase as seen in the graph. Then the object will move further away from the origin. Similarly, if we would have considered the initial velocity as say -1, then the object would have moved in the other direction. Say it will start from its initial position and move towards the negative of the origin. In the simulation the object has stopped because the simulation time has been set to a finite value, say 20 seconds. In the third case, we will keep a non-zero value of force or acceleration irrespective of the value of initial velocity or initial position. The object's velocity and position is going to change continuously with time. In the simulation, first we have simulated with a constant positive value of force. In the next one we have simulated with a negative value of force. So you can see the movement of the system. When the force is negative, see how the body is driven in the negative axis irrespective of the velocity. Remember the graphs for position and velocity that we expected in case 3, that is matching with the graphs that we are obtaining now. We will consider one more case. In this, the body starts with a positive initial position, a positive initial velocity, but a negative force is applied on it. Till the time the velocity remains positive, the position increases in the positive axis. So as you can see from the curve, the position first increases in the positive axis, then it reduces and goes towards the negative axis. Thus, this is the end of first part of system definition and simulation of few cases.